Backpack channel, guys. So let's get straight to it. FanDuel is the way to go. Get $50 free by clicking the link below and signing up through my link, and I get 50 bucks, and let's win this money together. I'm up 11 grand this year. So what? I mean, what's more can you ask for? More money, less bets, $10 bets, $5 bets. You can bet up to $25,000. I hope you guys aren't betting like that. But if you are, use my $50 link. I'll get 50 bucks. I will not get 25 grand. And you can win a little bit of change. So I've been trying to record for months now. Couldn't even really get the enthusiasm to work. Nothing worked. I've recorded this video like 6 times already, but we're gonna roll a day. So let's introduce my baby. I have before, but this is a few months in, since April. Yeah, I've had this 2020 Dodge Challenger Red Eye, wide body, whatever you want to call it, is what it is. It's a pretty quick car. It's fun. I tried to do a car review, didn't like it, so what in the world is that noise? Oh, sorry, making noise in here. Tried to do a car review, didn't work out. Didn't like it that much because it was like too talky. My cameras weren't working. Actually, a little bit of clips here that the camera just flips back, and you know, just pissed me off a little bit. If I still have the footage, because I probably threw it away. Recently this weekend, I did a wax and seal, and I polished my car. I actually buffed it with the chemical guide stuff. I have a video here, but I've just used the same old V36 and V38 right here. And I also sealed it with the jet seal. My phone is blowing up right now. Sorry, I gotta keep the phone on because of work, because I'll be working night shift these next 2 weeks. So I need to know. I'll be working night shifts for the next 2 weeks. I need to know what's going on. So if you hear it, just ignore it. I've wanted to use this for a long time. It works pretty good. Haven't used it. First time I've ever used it, so it's not bad. What is that noise? I don't know. Sounds coming from my car, but no. A little tick here, tick there. All right, so as of you guys been following us and let me check this camera 1 second. As you guys have been following us in this whole house journey tour thing, you notice that I've never shown the man cave because it hasn't been done. So it's 80% done now. I'll show you guys what I got. So welcome to the dungeon, as my mother-in-law calls it. So boom, here it is. So as you can see, I have a few things over here. Over here you have the PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X. Down here we have our old PlayStation 4 with my Polk Audio and my Samsung Q80 75-inch TV. I still have a lot more things to do in this room, as in get the wiring. My cable management is terrible right now. I just threw some things together so I can just settle down for the moment, basically. My Party Box 310 by JBL. It's a beast. It's good for outside washing. I use it. It's kind of dusty because I use it outside to wash my car and do things around the house. And it's good thing it has wheels. It's portable. It can move around, and I am proud of that because I move around a lot, doing a lot of stupid stuff in this house that my wife always asks me to do. It's not stupid in her eyes, but well, it's not stupid at all. Just that a lot of stuff she has me doing, and I just have to work on it. Nothing really in my little desk area over here. A little messy. Old iMac. Possible upgrade coming soon. Don't know exactly yet. So yeah, my wife is a home goods maniac, so she buys everything with home goods. So this clock is possibly going here. I still haven't done that yet. And that's it for the room so far. So good. I mean, it's coming along. So I haven't seen you guys in a while. You guys haven't seen me in a while because I haven't been recording, because I don't know, it just hasn't been in me lately. So I'm going to try to give you guys some better content, some more content. Probably drop some more content later on, as in as in the house stuff. I have some more house stuff I have to do. And if you guys follow me, little quick tips. You can follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of my Instagram stories at Larry.Gasq, as in GASQ. I couldn't get a giant Q because they won't let me do it on Instagram. So it looked like my last name without the U and the E. Yeah, so it kind of, I didn't like it. What else? I don't do TikTok. I tried, didn't work. Uh, what else can I give you guys? So I think that's going to be it for the video. Quick and short and concise. Next video I'll have a compilation of different things we did before we got the house, and just moving around the house and stuff like that. Car review video, I'm trying to put it together, but it's kind of hard. I don't know why. I'm too much of a perfectionist. I need to get over that. The car is a car, and I just need to do what I gotta do. All right, guys. So make sure you get the fan duel below. Join me up. Let's make some money, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
So that's all it takes, guys. So I hope this helped y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.